up, everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and we back in Cheapokitty for another video. This one is going to be pretty fun though, because we're actually going to make an appearance for the first time. It's the first time that Mod2Fame is actually like the featured guest for an event. So that's what we're heading to now. Get ready, let's go. So yeah, guys, isn't that pretty awesome that we're growing to the point that putting our name on a flyer or an event actually gives it more validation? That's pretty damn cool, man, and that's because of you guys liking, subscribing, sharing. As a matter of fact, you should probably do that now if you're not already, because that's how you're gonna find out about these events that we're going to. That's how you're gonna see the cool content, these cool races that Cheapokitty has that's been going down. And also, man, we're just an awesome group to be around. You guys are the M2Fers and I'm Mod2Fame, as well as, you know, the rest of the team, man, that we got that make this all possible. But anyway, Cheapokitty, man, has been holding up really, really well. She's been doing good. She did great at Mod2Fame Fest. I held her back with the, you know, with going to a drag strip with street tires. But 11.7, not terrible. But the important part is we have fun with it. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty hyped for today, because after today, we're doing something else. Oh, I just realized I don't know if I could talk about it yet. But tomorrow, we're actually having what we call pop-up meets. Usually, I don't give this much advance notice to people, but I actually posted it in my story today. I didn't post it on social media, but I put it in my story for those on Instagram. So for those who follow very closely, you didn't miss that we're having a pop-up meet. What the hell is a pop-up meet, Steph? Well, if you go back and click the link above right now, you'll see the last pop-up meet we had, which we end up racing a Porsche in the rain against a BMW M6. So go check that video out. But either way, let's head on down to this meet right now, because we are about, I would say, 20 minutes late. My bad. Anyway, see y'all there. Yo, so we made it here. We made it. We here right now. Actually, that would be good. Thank you, Gwen. Y'all know Gwen. She's behind the camera right now. But we out here. We made it. As y'all can see, it's super early. They're still setting up right now, and I'm helping them out. So you see Cheapokitty back here. Gwen's car is over there. But this right here is confusing everybody, because it's a beautiful, beautiful 68 body Camaro, right? RS, beautiful car, nice red paint. The first thing I noticed though is the wide body that is flared out in the back, which I'll show y'all in a second. But then after that, as I took a deeper look, the next thing that really confused me were the wheels. The wheels confused the shit out of me, because I noticed that it had an extra lug. I'm like, why does this car have 6 lugs? Now, the only thing I've ever seen that on is a, oh shit, look at the brake. That's right, this car is a Viper. It's a Viper RT underneath a 68 Camaro body. Craziest thing I ever seen in my life. I'm about to show y'all right now. Let's jump into it. Go. craziest part about this car is that when you look at it from behind, it looks like an old school drag car with the big ass tires, 355s. This is the madman behind the car, man. Oh, John, tell him what's up, man.
What's going on?
Tell us what we got here. I try to describe it, but tell us your thought process behind building a car like this.
Simplest part is you got your slot cars when you're little. Those slot car tracks.
Yep.
Your brother steal your car when you come home and swap the body.
Yep.
And now your car slowed down, his car's faster.
Yeah.
And you want to know why? Because you still got your same body.
Right.
Same concept. Took an old car, took a new car, and swapped the body.
Crazy.
Easier, simpler. 10 days it was running and driving by itself. 2 years to do the body work, because that don't pay no bills.
Right.
So you got time, worked on it, played with it, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, it's a brand new car on an old body.
So
Drive
what?
from here to Florida,
Yep.
anywhere.
What generation Viper is this?
Second.
Second generation Viper. So RT.
RT.
Got it. So that's the one with 450 or 405. I forgot what it
That's
was.
what they came with. This have 550.
Okay, what did you
Took
do
the
to?
heads off, port polish, still nothing crazy.
Okay.
Port polish the heads, put it back on.
Okay. What trend? So it's everything. The chassis, everything is a Viper.
Everything.
What year car did you start with? What was the donor car? So it started with an 02 Viper. Look at that. Even the key. Even the key. That's crazy. So it started out as an 02 Viper. What year body is that on the car?
Camaro is a 68.
It's a 68. How much of a flare is on the back?
About 2 inches on each side.
About 2-inch flare.
Try to do it minimal to look like the factory flare.
Right.
So only when a Camaro person sees it, they be like, something wrong with the car. When a
Right.
regular person sees it, they be
Well,
like,
no. When you see this thing coming up the road, it is taking up a lot of real estate. So you can tell because it's like a woman. It's like Gwen, right? Small, small, small. Boom!
crazy.
Oh man, I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it.
But I think my car's a little bigger than Gwen.
Okay, that's true. It got even more flair. It got hips for days. That's for damn sure. But listen, John, amazing job, amazing build, kid. The joint is crazy, man. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people have never seen anything like this before,
Nah, it's the only one.
and they're seeing it now. Only on Mod2Fame, baby. And y'all wonder why we call this Mod2Fame. It's because we feature some of the craziest modded cars that you'll ever see. That's why we call it that. This is the man himself, the man behind Car Factory. This is Mike, and this is his first ever annual Car Factory barbecue, man. Tell us what you do here in the Bronx, and tell us how long you've been here.
Well, my dad started here in 1979. I've been running it for the past 4 or 5 years, trying to help everyone get into the cars that they want. Just trying to help the Bronx out and the surrounding boroughs.
All right, man. Well, tell us. I mean, the question is, are you just selling cars, or do you really care about them?
No, of course I care about them. It's a family business. Everyone that buys a car here is part of the family, and we want to continue that.
All right, cool. But are you into cars?
Of
What
course.
cars do you have or have you had?
Oh, well, I had a bunch. I'm building a Subaru right now. I got a 39 Ford that I'm into, 66 GTO that I'm into. Hopefully we'll be picking up something else in the near future. Don't want to let out what that's going to be. Maybe something exotic, maybe something foreign, but we're definitely picking something else up.
Maybe he bull. He said he got a Subaru. The real question is, are you building it or is it just a bust-ass Subaru? The only way we'll know that is, what's the size turbo you putting on it?
I'm putting a something big on it. Not.
Oh, I forgot.
too
He's a
crazy.
racer. He's a racer, so he can't say what he putting. He's fronting. Anyway, this is his place, Car Factory, and he's having the barbecue. And he's the reason why we're out here. He invited us to come out. So anyway, enjoy that show. Let's keep it moving. In a few minutes, and what we're gonna do is donuts. Me and Cheapokitty and the Viper Camaro. We're about to try to do some tandems with each other. Now, I've never done tandems before, but I think we'll be all right. If not, that'll be a very, very, very expensive mistake, because that Camaro is irreplaceable. Cheapokitty, we can get another one, but not that Camaro. Anyway, get ready for it. It's coming.
I do stupid shit in the street all the time.
I didn't hear that.
Yeah.
Turn green. I see it, I see it. Well guys, unfortunately we had to leave the barbecue a little bit early because something came up for me personally, but all is well. I hope you guys liked the video. Unfortunately, we weren't able to do the beauty montages that we wanted to do with all the cars because we had to leave a little bit before they got there. But anyway, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. But until the next one, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and on this beautiful day, in a red, beautiful cherry Hellcat, we out.